I have entered in the university GC. Let's explore this. So this is the university of friends. This is our ground. You can see that, and this is the path to enter the GC university. So let's move, friends, and explore this beautiful place of Lahore. Friends, it is GCU. I have entered. Let's go first in the inter cafe. So here is the path. You can see that it is the inter cafe. So let's enter there. So friends, this is inter cafe. We called it inter cafe because it is the cafe for the intermediate students. It means college students. They used to come there. They enjoy the meal, fast food, burgers. Friends, this is the beauty of GC. This is a ground. People used to sit there and study.